I am trying this new flavor of the Alani new energy drinks, the Juicy Peach. So many people have raved about this, and my first sip, I wasn't a fan, but I'm about a quarter away through this, and I can actually say that I really enjoy it. I think I was expecting it to be slightly sweeter tasting, since a lot of time these energy drinks taste sweet. I know they don't have sugar in them, but it's not as sweet as the others, so you guys might really enjoy. I love peach flavored things though. I'm off to the slowest start today, and I just don't know why. I have so much energy. I feel amazing, like health and mental health wise. But finally getting myself out the door to go to Sam's Club. So it's very late in the day already. I've just been doing things on my phone a little bit. I did my light therapy. I'm drinking my energy drink. So like I said, I have plenty of motivation and energy, but just haven't done anything with it. So I'm heading to Sam's Club. I would just want to grab just a few things, not a whole lot. Honestly, it's just an excuse to leave my house, because I haven't left the house other than just going grocery shopping and driving Cindy to school and picking her up in like 5 or 6 days. And I need to get out, a change of scenery. So this is just my excuse to run to Sam's, spend a gift card I got for Christmas, and grab a couple of things. So chill, day in the life vlog today. That's what we're doing. I want to go home after that and clean up the house a little bit, do some self-care. I really want to self-tan because my hands are like Twilight see-through at this point. Yeah, just a chill day in the life vlog. That's what we're doing. So a small haul from Sam's Club. I have been going there for, I think I've had my membership for 3 years now. No, more than that. I don't know. I've had my membership for a while. And I just feel like their offerings are getting better and better, and the things that they bring for limited edition things are getting better. And my standard of better, I just feel like they're bringing in some healthier options, or like newer flavors versus just the plain of everything. I don't know, I just feel like I'm more interested in buying the grocery items versus just the bulk, like, you know, household products, paper products and things. Anyway, I'll show you what I picked up when I run home, but first I have to run to the UPS store and return something. I am returning that sweatshirt that I got off Amazon. I liked it, but the color, I think I would definitely choose a different color, because the apricot was definitely more apricot. For some reason I thought it would be more ivory, but just when I put it on, I just feel like the color wasn't my favorite. But the sweatshirt itself was awesome quality, looked super cute on, I feel like. And I know I said in the video, I think it was like $35. No, it was actually $23. So very inexpensive, highly recommend. I just personally didn't love the color. You can't even see me because of the sun right now. So I am gonna go return that and then run home, go pick up Sydney. Like I said, I got a very late start today, and I don't know, I just got a really late start. Also, the first time I've ever seen the kiosk dispenser thing, that was amazing. I got 2 free granola bars. I don't know, apparently they've had that there though, because a customer behind me was like, oh, don't you just love it? I said, this is my first time, it's like a big deal. All right, I gotta get on the road. Really quick, this is what I grabbed from Sam's. I love grabbing the broccoli florets from their freezer section. It comes with 4 different packages, and usually make like 1 at a time because Sydney and I love broccoli. For the freezer, that is a good item. This is something that I haven't seen there. They had this Bertolli vodka sauce, pasta sauce. I usually get the Rouse pasta sauce there because it is way cheaper than getting it at my local grocery store, and they had a $2 instant savings, but I already actually have some of that pasta sauce saved. But I went ahead and grabbed the vodka sauce because I love a good vodka sauce once in a while, and this was inexpensive. I got bagels, something that I never get at Sam's Club, and I don't know why, I never thought of this. We love the Everything Bagels by Thomas, and I'm just gonna pop these in the freezer, and then whenever we want one, I will thaw it at room temperature. One of these at my local grocery store is almost $5 now. I think it's like, I don't know, $4.50 or $4.99 something, and this was like $6. Don't quote me, I'll try to put the price on the screen if I can find it right off. Anyway, way cheaper, so those will live in the freezer. Speaking of way cheaper, I never ever go in the bakery section at Sam's, and I guess I'm going to start because I didn't know they had naan bread, and I absolutely love naan bread. I usually buy the garlic and onion one at my local grocery store. They only had the plain or original at Sam's, but this pack of 10 was $5.50, I believe, or $5.54, something like that. Usually at the local grocery store, it's $4 for a pack of 2, or at least it's like $3.50 or $3.99. I'm messing up my prices. So this was way, way cheaper. This will live in my freezer. Love doing pizzas and flatbreads on those. Sydney loves the That's It bars, and they just got these in at my local Sam's. I've seen the ones where they have the probiotics in them as well, but Sydney already takes a probiotic, so I don't want to overload her system. So I went ahead and grabbed these. These are the strawberry and banana pack. Nice little, honestly though, like price wise, it didn't save a ton compared to buying them at Target, probably like 10 cents for each bar. So in general, it wasn't like the largest savings, but hey, any amount counts. And then random, these were calling my name. I had a $50 gift card, and I didn't need, but I was gonna have $10 left over. And so I just saw these at the checkout, or when I was heading to checkout. These were about $9 to $10. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get them. It's a pack of 4 triple chocolate fudge brownie mix, and so that is just gonna be nice to have for when I'm having a sweet craving. I'm gonna hurry up and put these away and chat with you on my way to go pick Sydney up. And I was very tempted to grab the Alani Nutrition energy drinks because they are $10 cheaper than they used to be. I don't know, it says limited time, but there was no date and it wasn't like an instant savings. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but let the beeping stop. But yeah, they used to be, are usually $34.98 and they are $24.98. So $10 cheaper, which is a really, like a significant savings. So I am probably gonna go ahead and grab a pack of those. It's like maybe next week. I am trying to do a no spend week. And I had a $50 gift card. I ended up spending like $48 and some change with tax. So I want to do a no spend week. Besides, you know, I had to get gas, you know, and like pay my bills, obviously. That just means not spending any extra money that is not necessary to spend. So just want to do that once in a while to make sure, you know, I'm keeping my ducks in a row, save up for vacations, save up for, I mean, life in general. Things are getting expensive. And so that's why I didn't do, I mean, obviously I didn't need the brownie mix, you know what I mean? But I just wanted to stick within my, my gift card budget. You know what I mean? Sydney's home. She wants to, I had to leave these out because I was so late, but now she wants to try the banana one. I don't think she's ever had those. It's 1 apple, 1 banana. Are you excited?
I don't want my banana. I want more banana.
No, I mean the, oh, don't pull on that.
What? What's gonna happen?
What do you mean?
What's gonna happen if I pull it?
Oh, well, it's loose because ever since I unscrewed it and screwed it back in, it's loose. All right. Actually, I'm not gonna do all of them. Okay, just kidding. I guess I'm doing all of them. Another strawberry banana thing. She gets in the fridge and she goes, "Ooh, I'll have another strawberry banana thing." My local grocery store just got these in. Previously I had only been able to find them at Whole Foods. The Siggy's Kids pouches. Yeah. They're just way less sugar than a standard yogurt. Yeah, 50% less sugar. I don't really care about, oh, and 30% fewer ingredients. But anyway, they're just way healthier, and I love Siggy's for myself anyway. Very expensive though. It's annoying. They're $5.99 for a pack of 4 pouches. So definitely not, like, you know, cheap. So I am in the bathroom. It is much later after dinner. Sydney's in bed. I just did the mom thing after school. I will be filming, I was supposed to film my night routine last week, and then it didn't happen because it was really cloudy and dark when I went to go film, and I was like, you know what, scratch that, we'll do that next week. Anyway, also, I've been trying to figure out what on earth to do for Sydney's birthday now that she's in school and has so many more friends. Of course, she's gonna want to invite some, and I don't really have the space at my house. We have a winter birthday, so winter, I don't know, there's just, I'm just trying to figure out what on earth to do. And then she wants a theme this year. She wants Gabby's Dollhouse a birthday. So I was trying to coordinate with my cousin who makes cakes. Anyway, who on earth knows what we will end up doing. I'm sure she will be happy no matter what. So that's basically where the time went tonight. I really have to clean, but I want to do a speed clean because I don't want to spend the rest of my evening doing that. I want to throw in a load of laundry, quickly pick up the floor so that I can wake up to a nice clean house tomorrow. I'm not tired, actually. I have a lot of energy. I said that earlier. I'm just, I don't know, haven't really done a whole lot with my energy, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like a 15-minute power clean. I'm giving myself 15 minutes, and then after that, shutting it down.